whenever you are ordering suit, jacket, and so. This the way. Will you please put in your hand? Okay. Okay, turn it on, please. And we put a layer in the jacket, especially we put the layer 1, 2, 3, and lining, one more lining will be there, 4 layer inside. Shoulders we have to fold up like that way, and the other side this way, and to make even to one part to the other. And then again we measure the shoulders like this, and this will be processed. This will be take 1.5 day or 2 days to process it, and the jacket will be ready. This is the way we do jacket here. This side we have a wool pad here, and the shoulder pad is very important. It lasts long, not to spoil. Whole of your life you can wear it. Shoulder pad, and inside we have a button, extra button, not to lose, and the hand stitches are there, a pocket, and you on your armpit. And the other side we have our label, the boss, Tara Boss, and we have email and website together. And here one pocket, 2, 3, and lining is according your desirable. You can put any color of the lining there, matching. Mostly they use the matching color, or if you want to in case change the lining, you can change the lining.